Yo, what up? It's your boy, Dan Gordon. Welcome back to Ask a Builder Season 2, Episode 1. We're talking about AI today. AI has disrupted every industry imaginable, and construction is no exception.
Here's 3 ways that we're seeing ChatGPT specifically affecting our industry.
So where are you actually seeing AI save time in the design or early planning phase before construction's even started?
So what's really crazy about ChatGPT and AI as a whole is we're starting to see clients bring us designs that they made with ChatGPT. So traditionally in construction, you have to hire an architect or a designer. You get on their schedule, maybe you wait a couple weeks, and then you have a design and you bring it to a contractor. Lately, I've been seeing an influx of clients that are bringing us ideas where they took a photo, used ChatGPT, and basically added a couple inspiration photos and came up with a design for a project. It's crazy, and literally it's taken them only an hour or 2 to come together.
Is that leading to like unrealistic expectations though? Because if you're only limited by your imagination, I'd be throwing like a water slide in there.
Well, you definitely are getting a few off the cuff things and things that aren't quite right, but overall it's helping us see what their vision is. Then what we're doing is we're taking that and then putting it into our scaled drawings and fine tuning it. But it really is helping us in a quicker way see what the client's vision is for the project.
So breaking down the budget from an estimating standpoint, does AI-driven estimating make bids more accurate for homeowners?
So as a company, we have a full-time estimator, but we've used AI a lot more recently in the last 6 months to a year in reviewing our estimates, helping do some takeoffs. My point of view as a business owner, it's more of a trust but verify it kind of deal. We will send our plans now through AI, have AI simplify the notes and really review all the notes. We still do that ourselves, but it's helping us find a few anomalies here and there that don't quite line up, and we're able to get those on the front end instead of in the middle of the project.
So my question is, when is AI going to completely eliminate Billy's position from this company? Because I can't stand that guy.
Oh yeah, no, you love Billy. We all know that. That's why you even got a photo for him that's on his desk.
True.
Which I don't know, that might be an HR thing, who knows? But Billy's sticking around. We will use AI, but we also still want to verify the information. It's good to have the human touch on it to check it out.
What does AI help with most on the project management side?
Specifically on scheduling and updates for clients. It's helping pull all the data of what we did in the last week from our daily logs and our schedules and giving the client a very simple update at the end of the week, and also what's going to happen in the future.
But this isn't like automated. You still have real project managers checking over these end-of-day updates and stuff.
100%. We use it to help with it, but then we really want to review it. For us, it's about the human touch of making sure it's all accurate. In addition to that, it's just helping us be more efficient, draft up a schedule for us and help us with our scheduling. It's helping our project managers not spend so much time on the front end and be able to more so work on the projects and make sure everything's flowing right.
So as a final question, do you know what ChatGPT stands for?
I do not know that.
I'm not going to lie. I had to look it up for this video. It is chat because you're talking, generative because it's generating a response, pre-trained because it's pre-trained on all this data from all across the internet, and then transformer, which is the system that it's using, which is the new development in AI where it can scan every word at the same time, which is why I can do instantaneous responses and such.
I got a question for you. Who directed Transformers?
Michael Bay.
Well, Michael Bay. I like a Michael Bay Transformer movie.
Oh, that's quite a pivot. And surprise to you viewers, if you doubt the power of ChatGPT, just know this entire video was a simulation and we're just a ChatGPT prompt.
Michael Bay, Transformers. I gotta transform out of here.